Hari Om. Today the world is attacked by coronavirus. Every country, every scientist, every doctor is trying to find out some remedy, some solution, how to get rid of this unknown virus. So far there is no known remedy, but we have something in yoga science, which can help us in fighting this virus. In ancient scriptures like Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Gherand Samhita, Gorakh Samhita, these are the ancient books. They are saying certain techniques if you perform, your all diseases can dissolve or disappear, and you will be free from all the sufferings and sorrow. And in some scriptures it is very clearly mentioned, if you perform yoga, your huge mountain of diseases can be dissolved and disappear. So considering the powers of yoga, today we are going to give some techniques, some asanas which can help in fighting coronavirus. So let us see how best we can give some solution to fight against this coronavirus. Let us see. First we start with the Tadasana, making our body up. Everybody take your hands up, both the palms parallel to each other. You inhale, as much as you inhale, close your eyes. Take your powerful breath inside. More stretch, keep on stretching your body. More stretch, eyes closed, more stretch. And now very gently we start bowing down and touching our own feet. Go down, Padhastasana, while exhaling. Breathing sound should be there. Go down, head down, try to touch your head to your knees and stay there. Stay there and touch the knees, and this is something going to bring a new energy in your spine, in your body, in your lungs, and this we are going to repeat 5 rounds. Again come up, and slowly bring your hands down, relax. Now the next, after 5 repetition, we go for the Triyak Tadasana. Again inhale, everybody inhale, more inhale, hold your breath, and while exhaling you go towards your left as much as you can go. Keep on yourself, keep your eyes closed, and very nice, stay there with closed eyes. Continue Triyak Tadasana to make new energy available to your lungs, to your back, to your head, to your system. And now slowly inhale and go to the other side while exhaling. Very good for your powerful and flexible spine to make a new energy through our major channels, Ida, Pingla and Sushumna, the major channels of energy in our body. And now slowly will come up. This is to be done 5 rounds. Slowly come down and relax. Closer to your shoulders. Next powerful asana for antivirus is Bhujangasana. Lift your body up to your belly button. Inhale up. Eyes closed, both the hands on the floor. Hold your body. This is inhale. And then again exhale, go down. Again inhale with sound. Eyes closed. Again exhale, down. Powerful inhale. Now this time you will go up to your thighs. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Powerful inhale. We have to increase the capacity and power of our lungs. Exhale, down. Inhale up. Exhale, down. This is to be repeated for 21 rounds to increase the capacity. Keep on moving. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue breathing. Feel the power, feel the energy, feel the Shakti in your every cell of the body. This is increasing the power and immune system of our body. Very nice. Continue, continue. The more the inhale, the more power will come, and the more you exhale, you will be more purified, detoxified. Continue. Very good, very good. Continue, continue. And last 2 rounds. Very good. Continue with the deep process of divine Shakti. Relax now in Makarasana, under which you are going to keep your both the palms under your jaws. Just relax, eyes closed. Very good. Stay there. Both the palms under your jaws. Very nice. Full deep relaxation, eyes closed. Full relaxation. Deep relaxation. And now very gently you will be sitting up in Dandasana. Eyes remain closed. Come in Dandasana, where your legs will be straight. And now we will be doing Paschimottanasana in a dynamic position. Inhale, both the hands up. Inhale, powerful. And exhale, go and touch your own feet. Continue. Very good. Very nice. Keep it up. Again, inhale up with the sound. Sound of breathing will help. Again, down. Again, up. Again, down. Again, up. Again, down. Keep it up. Continue repeating. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Continue. Inhale up, exhale down. We need the breathing powerful. This will make our immune power more strong. Our respiratory system will be very clear and very stronger. So any virus has to be exhaled powerfully. This will give the more powers. Another 2 more rounds. This is also to be done 21 rounds. Those who are with the severe back pain, they should avoid. Pregnant women should avoid. Anyone else with severe injuries should also avoid. They can do very gentle way to get more power and energy. Very good. Last round, and your hands, heads all down. Stay there. Stay there. And slowly, slowly come up. Now, next we are here going to do Bhunamanasana. Again, both the hands up, and on the left side we go and down our head. Go down to the left side, heads down, heads down. Let the head touch the Mother Earth. Very good. Again, inhale up. Exhale down to the right. Powerful sound of breathing will help us. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Powerful inhale. Powerful exhale. Powerful inhale. Powerful exhale. Powerful inhale, powerful exhale. Continue inhale, continue exhale. Continue inhale, continue exhale. Almost about 21 rounds. Inhale, exhale. Another 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale and come up, relax, both the hands behind your hips, face up towards the sky. Relax, deep relaxation. Let your body relax completely. Very good, full and deep relaxation. Relax your whole body, feel the new energy, new power, new Shakti in your body. And this power is needed. This power is going to make our immune power more stronger. Our digestion fire will also be more powerful. Body will be more flexible with new fighting energy. Fighting against the virus, fighting against the enemy of this body and life. Yoga is giving us the power, yoga is generating the power which is in our system as a potential power. Very nice and very powerful dynamic yoga activities. Now very gently come up, sit in Sukh Asana. And now we will be doing Agni Sar. Agni Sar is the fire awakening system in the belly. We produce the fire in the belly, and you can see how our Professor Divya is going to demonstrate you Agni Sar. Now either you sit in Padmasana if you can, otherwise in Sukhasana, comfortable position. Both the hands are very clear and you are sitting straight, head, neck, spine in one line. And now he will start exhaling from the belly. First all the air will go out and then chin to the chest. Belly will be totally flattened and he start moving the belly where there is no air. Full air is blown out and now only belly is moving forward, backward. Now he inhale and come up. This with all the way, एक हाथ को पेट पे रख के बता दो. Now he is going to demonstrate it by keeping one hand on the belly and now full exhale and now he start moving the belly. You can see him how he is moving. This will make your power, fire to in a good way to wake up. This is to be done couple of times. Each time you can try 30, 40 strokes or 50 strokes, whatever is your individual capacity. Initially it is difficult, but this is to be done empty stomach. Now let everybody start. First inhale, make your face up, inhale everybody, and now exhale. Full exhale and chin to the chest. Very good. And start moving. Move your belly. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Continue moving, moving. Move the belly, move the belly. And let your breath be outside retained. Don't inhale at the time. Do your best able. And now come up, relax. And now again we are ready, eyes closed. First inhale, face up and powerful exhale. Full exhale and start moving your belly. Very good and relax. Again come up. Again exhale. Full exhale. Start again. Continue moving. Continue moving, 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 moving. Keep on moving. Full power, full power, full power, full movement, full Shakti. Relax. Again up, eyes remain closed. Again exhale. Start. Start moving now. Chin to the chest and moving. Move your body. Very good, very good, very good. Full movement, full movement, full movement. This will really improve the powerful immune system of the body. Digestion fire will be better, metabolism rate will be balanced, all the toxins will also go away. Very powerful. Again relax. Now last round. Again exhale. Powerful. Start. Full power, full power, full power, powerful, powerful, powerful. full power, full power, full power, full power, moving, 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 continue moving, move your belly, 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 very powerful, and relax. Eyes closed, both the hands on your knees. This brings a lots of power in your system, lots of energy in your system. And now we will be going, relax first yourself, another 2 more breath, relax. And now we are going to do 3 bandha together. One will be Mool Bandha, another will be Uddayan Bandha, and one will be Jalandhar Bandha. This is called Mahabandha. You can see how Divya is doing it. Look at him now. Sitting in a Sukhasana, the same position what you are. This Bandha means holding. This will bring your power increase a powerful way. Now first he has exhaled completely and pulled up all the muscles of the belly up. And now finally chin to the chest. Mool Bandha means contracting your anus, contracting your buttocks. And now this is the full holding. Look at him, holding the breath outside. Full exhale and holding. You can see how much power is there in the face, how much Shakti is coming in the face. And then releasing like this. This will wake up your hidden powers in the body. We are the source of power. A big powerhouse. Let's now take the position, both the hands on your knees, eyes closed. First you inhale and then powerful exhale. First Mool Bandha, tight your buttocks, pull your all the belly up, all the muscles of the belly up, chin to the chest, and hold it. Full tight, hold it as much as you can hold, very powerful. Hold it, big Shakti, and relax. Those who are with the severe blood pressure problems, they should refrain from doing it. Pregnant women should refrain from doing it. Others can really do it. Anybody with the recent injury should also avoid doing it. Now again, let us be ready. Again, eyes closed, inhale and powerful exhale, full exhale, Mool Bandha. Start from Mool Bandha, tight your perineum, tight your anus, tight your buttocks, tight your body, now pull all the muscles of the belly up, chin to the chest, hold it, hold the breath, continue holding, full power, hold it, hold the power and release. This is really a powerful, very powerful. Another, one more round. Inhale and exhale, full exhale. Now Mool Bandha first, then Uddayan Bandha, then Jalandhar Bandha. Chin to the chest. Continue Shakti, more power. Continue the power, power, up. Hold it, big power, release. This is really very powerful. This will really wake up your inner powers. Even virus will be having a fear to coming to you. This is having so much. Now it will be the last round. At least the beginner should do 5 rounds and hold it as much as capacity they have. Close your eyes. Again, inhale and powerful exhale. First we start from Mool Bandha, holding the buttocks, anus tight, exhale, all the muscles up, pull the muscles up from the belly, chin to the chest, body tight, more tight, as much as you can. Put your best efforts, try your best efforts, continue Shakti, full power, hold it. This Shakti is needed inside, hold it and release. Eyes remain closed, relax your body and you can feel lots of energy started waking up in our system. A big system is waking up, eyes remain closed, aankhein band. Very good. And now here only both the hands remain on your knees. We start a pranayam called Kapal Bhati. Through the belly we will be pulling each time our belly up so that we purify the energy inside. We receive the pure energy Shakti. Start now. Closed eyes with the sound. Very good. Very nice. Very good. Continue. 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 Continue with more joy. Exhale the weakness. Receive the power. Receive the Shakti. Continue. 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 Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Full power. Full power. Full power. Full power. Full power. Full power. Continue. 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 Full power. Full power. Full power. Full power. Full power. 30 seconds more. Full power. 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 Full Shakti. Full Shakti. And relax. Eyes remain closed. See the power awakening inside. When the immune power is stronger, coronavirus will say namaste to you, will not come closer to you. No need to be fearful from that, but we have to be ready without any fear and making ourselves stronger. Virus is enemy. We need not to fight the enemy. We have to be just simply stronger, so enemy will not come closer to us. We will repeat the same process with more power and more awareness. Start again. Continue. Very big power, very big power. Continue the power, continue the power. Detox, purify, more energy, more Shakti. Continue the Shakti, continue the power, continue the power, continue the power. Full power from the belly. Wake up your power, wake up your energy, wake up your Shakti. Another 30 seconds more. Big Shakti, big Shakti, big Shakti, big Shakti, big Shakti. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Wake up your Shakti inside. And relax. Eyes remain closed. So much power has increased. You are powerhouse. This body is not ordinary body. This is a powerhouse. This is a power generating plant. The third round, last round, each round has to be around 90 seconds to 120 seconds, like say 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes each round, approximately 5 minutes total. And again, let us start the same with more power this time. Start now. Very good. Good power, good Shakti, good Shakti. Continue the Shakti. It is happening. Continue happening. Very good. Very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Big power, big power, big power. Big Shakti, big Shakti, big Shakti. Continue the Shakti. Continue the power. Wake up your powers. Wake up your powers. Wake up your energy. Detox, detox. Purify, purify, purify. Detox, detox, detox. Purify, purify, purify. Big power. Waking up your powers, inner powers, inner powers. Very nice, very nice, very nice. 30 seconds more, 30 seconds more with full power, full Shakti, full energy, full energy. Continue, 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 continue. And relax. Eyes remain closed. Just relax. A deep, powerful relaxation. Feel that power. When you are powerful, enemy will be not dare to come closer to you. Your inner Shakti, inner power is more than enough. Let the enemies be at bay, at a distance from you. Nothing to worry. We are making ourselves more stronger. Now the next procedure will be Bhastrika, breathing through lungs in the system. These practices are to be done when you are sitting by yourself, not in the public, not in the crowd. These are to be done. For Bhastrika, Divya is going to guide you now. Look at him. Start now from the lungs breathing. Very good. Like this. Start now. Very good. Continue. Move your hands also so that there will be movement in your lungs. There will be capacity of lungs will be stronger. If there is any pneumonia kind of cases, any cold, any cough, all will be reduced. Fire is increasing in your body. When the fire increases, cold, cough, they all will get lost from the system. Continue, continue, continue. Total will be 1 minute approximately round. Another 20 seconds. Eyes close and relax. Relax. Deep relaxation, and we start again. Start now. Full power, full power, full Shakti, full Shakti, full Shakti. Continue moving your hands. Move your hands. Don't hold your hands. Hands will move up, down, up, down. Keep on moving. Very good, very good, very good. Continue moving. Feeling the new joy. Lungs capacity increasing. New power is coming from cosmos. Universal energy is coming. Let it come. Let it come. Let it come. Let it come. New power coming in. Let it come. Let it come. Let it come. Full power. Full power. Full power. Another 30 seconds. Full power. Wake up your powers. Wake up your Shakti. Big power is waking up. Big power is coming. Big power is coming. Another 5 seconds more. And relax. Again, eyes closed. By now you can feel a tremendous power waking up in your system. When you are the power, weaknesses will not come closer to you. Fear will not come closer to you. Disease will not come closer to you. This is what we have to wake up with our powerful energy residing within us. You are the energy, you are the power. Now again, third round, powerful round. Let us start again. With good sound of breathing. Good sound of breathing. Continue sound of breathing. Big sound of breathing. Continue moving. Move, move. More Shakti. Moving, moving. More Shakti moving. More Shakti. More Shakti. More Shakti. Don't worry. Continue moving. Big movement, big Shakti. Wake up your Shakti. No suppression. Detox. Purify. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up, wake up. Very nice. Full power, full power, full power, full power. Sometime it starts happening. Sometime you are doing, sometime happening. Continue moving, waking up the powers and relax. So beautiful. 1 minute each round. We will be doing another 2 rounds so that the entire body is wrapped in the power, in the Shakti, in the energy, so that negativity, fear and disease cannot come closer to us. Now be ready for the next round. Start again with powerful inhale, exhale, full Shakti, full Shakti, full Shakti, full Shakti, waking up the Shakti, waking up the Shakti, waking up the energy, full power, full power, full power. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It is happening, it is happening. Waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up, full power, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, full power, waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up, full power, full power, full power, full power. Wake up the powers. There are powers inside. Don't worry, be happy. Continue. You are waking up your Shakti. You are meeting your Shakti. You are becoming Shakti. You are the Shakti. 10 seconds more. Full power, full power, full power, full power, full power, full power, full power. And relax. Again feel tremendous flow of energy in and around you, as if now you are protected with a powerful shield of your own Shakti. A powerful immune system is all over you. A powerful aura is covering you. Feel the power, feel the Shakti, feel the energy. So blissful energy is there everywhere. So good energy is there everywhere. Eyes remain closed. And now we go for the last round. Be ready. 1, 2, start again. Full power, full power, full power, full power, full power, full power, full Shakti, full Shakti. Wake up your Shakti. Wake up your powers, all powers, hidden powers, getting the universal energy. So good, so powerful, so powerful. Very nice. Big power, big Shakti waking up, waking up, waking up, waking up. No suppression, no repression. Continue expression, expression, big power, big power, big power. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Big power, big power. Continue, 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 continue. Let it happen, continue, let it happen, let it happen. 10 seconds more. Apply your full Shakti. Waking up, waking up, waking up, and relax. Now both the hands in the center of your lap. On the left palm, bring your right hand in the center of your palm. In the center of your lap, both the hands in the center. Relax your shoulders, relax your eyes, thumbs meeting with each other, and see the flow of energy now. A divine flow of energy everywhere going on. Continue feeling the divine flow of energy. You are absolutely now doing nothing. You have to just let go and witness the divine connection with the higher energy. Feel the connection with the higher energy. Cosmic energy is coming to help you. Cosmic energy is there to bless and shower its grace on you. Cosmic energy is with you. When universal energy is with you, a small virus cannot damage you. Receive the grace, blessings and powers from universal energy. Continue receiving the big power, big Shakti, big energy from the universe. Universe is sending powers, higher powers. You are getting connected to the higher powers. You are getting connected to the higher energy. Feel that divine connection. A special connection is happening. Feel that connection deep inside. Continue connection deep inside. Particularly feel that divine connection. Let the connection happen. Continue connection happen. Let it happen. Let it happen. Now you are absolutely doing nothing. Absolutely doing nothing. Let it happen. Let it happen. Feel the connection. This is so beautiful connection which has now no fear. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Now whatever is happening, allow it to happen, allow it to happen, allow it to flow, allow it to flow. No more fear, no more pressure. Allow it, allow it. You get connected, flowing, flowing, continue flow, continue flow. Let the flow continue. Feel the flow, feel the connection, continue the flow. Deep connection. This is a so blissful meditation which is giving a grace and blessings from the universe. The entire universe is blessing us. We receive the blessings, we receive the power, we receive the Shakti, and this meditation is healing us. If there is any weakness in our system, this powerful meditation is healing us. Receive the healings, receive the Shakti, receive the grace, receive the radiance, receive the power, receive the bliss. It is happening. Now you are absolutely doing nothing. Everything is happening. This is the blissful grace, blissful moments of our life. When there is no suffering, no blockage, we start getting connected. And if there are any blockage, if there are any sufferings, let it go. It can go even from your system, from your body, from your mind. Allow it to go. Continue, continue, continue. Let it go. Let it go. Allow the happening, feel the happening, feel the happening, see the happening, and doing nothing. Very gently let your heads slightly go down. When our heads are down, these are the sign that our ego, false ego, is down. You surrender, let your ego down. When our ego is down, a big chunk of suffering is down. Sufferings are caused because of ego. Today, ego is going away. Let go, let go, let go. Ego is going away. When ego is not there is no suffering. Let go. Pain and sorrow also going away. Let go. Let go the Shakti. Shakti, the divine Shakti coming in, and the weaknesses are going out. Continue the divine grace. Receive the grace, beautiful grace. And with your full gratitude, with full surrender, continue receiving the Shakti. Continue receiving the Shakti. Very good. Allow to flow. Allow to flow. No fighting. No fighting. Let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. Continue flow. Continue flow. You are not doing nothing. You are not doing anything. Everything is happening. Full flow is happening. Full Shakti is happening. Allow it. Allow it. Allow the happening. No control. No suppression. No expectation. But just presence. Presence and presence. Be present and allow the feeling. Allow the flow. Allow the Shakti. It is playing. It becomes playful. Witness the happening without involved in doing, talking, expecting. No expectations. Just be present and present. And then you see the grace, then you see the blessings. It is flowing. We are so lucky to be on this path of yoga. We are so fortunate to be meditating and connecting to the higher energy, connecting to the higher consciousness by simple surrender. The more we surrender, the more we get connected. Any uneasiness in the body or mind, let go. Don't fight with any sorrow, don't fight with any pain. Just simply let go, and you will find the pain, sorrow, sufferings all start going away from your body, from your mind, from your systems. This is the blessing, this is the grace we are receiving from universal energy. We are so lucky to be on this path, to find our own light, divine light, with the help of divine Shakti. It is happening without any question, without any doubt. Let it happen. Divine happening. Continue divine happening. Continue divine happening. Let it happen. Full grace, full Shakti. It is happening. Let it happen. Let it happen. Continue happening. Very good. Very good. Full power is being blessed on you. Continue. Continue. Let it happen. Continue. Continue. And we will be very gently expressing our thankfulness, gratitude by chanting the sound of consciousness. Sound of consciousness is the same sound what NASA has confirmed the space. Same megahertz vibrations are there in the universal space sound. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Feel the Shanti, divine peace in every cell, full of thankfulness, full of gratitude. This prayer is for expression of gratitude, profound gratitude for the health and wellness of whole world. Very gently rub your palms. And cover your face. Heads down and stay there for few moments to watch your insight, divine connection, the higher connection. When you are connected with the ocean, drop dissolves in the ocean, then shortage of water disappear. When you connect the individual energy with cosmic energy, the weakness disappear. Any virus will attack us when we are weak, but when we have dissolution with the universal energy, virus cannot attack you. It will dissolve also into the universal energy and will bless you with the higher power, higher Shakti, higher energy. So our deepest gratitude to the higher energy, universal power. In Sanskrit we called Brahma Shakti, Brahmand Shakti, Brahma Shakti, Divya Shakti, Divine Shakti. When Divine Shakti is with us, a small virus cannot affect us.